Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with Dana. If you're looking for a low carb and low sugar treat, this is for you. Today we are baking delicious healthy carrot and walnut cake that's low carb and low sugar but still packed with flavors. Let's jump right in. First up, we need to prepare our walnuts and carrots. Grab half a cup of walnuts, toss them in a food processor and give them a good chop. Set those aside for later. You can also chop these using a knife. Now take 2 large carrots. I have already peeled them. Cut these into chunks and add into the food processor. You can also use a grater to prepare your carrots. In a bowl, we are going to start with our wet ingredients. Crack 3 eggs into the bowl and whisk them. Next, pour in 2/3 cup of melted unsalted butter. It's going to make this cake so rich. Now add half a cup of erythritol sugar. Erythritol is a popular sugar substitute which contains almost no calories. This makes it ideal for anyone looking to reduce calorie intake while still enjoying sweet treats. You can easily get these from supermarkets. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract for that sweet, warm flavor. Whisk everything together until it's super smooth. Time to add our dry ingredients. 1.5 cup of almond flour, chopped walnuts, half a cup of shredded coconut, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it all together until the dry ingredients are fully blended in. Almond flour is a fantastic alternative to traditional wheat flour, especially in baking. Almond flour is naturally low in carbohydrates, making it ideal for people on low carb or ketogenic diets. Now let's fold in those finely chopped carrots from earlier. This will add a lovely texture and sweetness to the cake. Mix it all together until it's well combined. Pour your batter into a greased and lined baking tin, smoothing it out evenly. I am using 8x8 baking tray. Pop into a preheated oven at 160 centigrade and bake it for about 45 minutes. While the cake bakes, let's work on our frosting. In a bowl, mix 250 grams of softened cream cheese with half a cup of white erythritol sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it until it's velvety smooth, and this is going to be our perfect topping. This is the consistency we are looking for, soft and smooth. Our cake is ready. Take it out and let it cool completely. I know it's tempting, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Once cooled, spread that creamy frosting all over the top, and for a little extra crunch, sprinkle on some chopped walnuts. And that's it, folks. We've just made a low carb, low sugar carrot and walnut cake that's not only healthy but super satisfying. Perfect for sharing or keeping it all to yourself, no judgment here. Thanks for baking with me. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty and healthy recipes. See you next time.